few years ago, we were contacted by a man and his wife. The man had been injured severely, as we found out to be medical malpractice. Initially, he had been injured in a parking lot when he was beaten up and the perpetrators got away. He had a subdural hematoma, blood in his skull next to his brain. So he was in the hospital and they were draining the blood. They have to drill a hole, but it's a fairly routine procedure. Something happened during that procedure and he had a massive stroke. He had been a successful young businessman at age 30 and had developed aphasia because of the brain injury. He had trouble talking and couldn't do his work. He had a little trouble walking. The case had been turned down by, we were told, at least 10 lawyers. We looked at it. I actually went around the country flying. I was in Palo Alto, I was in San Diego, I was in New York. I was interviewing neurosurgeons to see what went wrong. And we found out that the drain that he had put in his head should have been removed when he had some complications during. I actually called, the drain is called the Jackson-Pratt drain. I actually got a hold of Dr. Pratt. Dr. Jackson was long dead. I found Dr. Pratt in Pennsylvania and tried to get him to be an expert in the case. I figured that would be pretty persuasive. He wouldn't do it. He wouldn't take the case. Lots of doctors won't testify against doctors, and he wouldn't do it. But we had very high-level doctors, had an expert from Johns Hopkins, and on the last day of a 3-week trial, we settled the case for $19.4 million.
If you want more information about our law firm, you can contact us by phone, 847-433-6677, or our website is bayslaw.com.